Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Boomiworld. Hope everyone is doing great. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please go and check it out now. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about Connectorshape. In our previous videos, we discussed each and every shape clearly. If you haven't watched, please go and check it out now. So now we'll discuss what is Connectorshape and what type of connector shapes includes in Boomi and types of connector shape and how to configure connector shape on Boomi. So first we'll discuss what is connector shape. So connector shapes are used to get data into the process or send data out of the process. Suppose if you want to get data from any Salesforce system or SuccessFactors system or Google or somewhere else, you can use connector shape to get the data from that third party application. Or if you want to send data also, you need to use connector shapes in Boomi. So connectors are the main component that facilitate integration and contain all the information needed to connect to a data source or application. So connector shapes will have all the data or all information, whatever data or whatever information you need to connect to the third party application. That entire data you may find on connector shape. Okay. So connector shapes includes connector shapes and trading partner connectors. So what is this connectors and then trading partner connectors? So suppose if you want to connect with any third party application, at that time you need to use connector shapes. Suppose if you want to connect with any organization, in that case you need to use trading partner connectors. Okay. So you are clear about these 2 points, right? Whenever you want to connect with the application, that time you need to use connector shape. Whenever you need to connect with any organization, which means B2B integrations, which means EDI integrations, that time you need to use trading partner connectors. So in Boomi, connectors are classified into 3 types: application connectors, technology connectors, and custom connectors. Okay. So what is this application connectors, technology connectors, and then custom connectors? Application connector provides the connectivity to specific software applications such as SAP, Amazon, SuccessFactors, Salesforce, Google, Drive, etc. Okay. Whenever you want to get or send data from any third party application or any browser based application, that time you need to use these application connectors. What is technology connectors? Technology connectors provides the connectivity to web applications or common repositories by using various protocols such as HTTP, JMS, FTP, etc. What is this web applications or common repositories? Whenever you want to get or send data from some local repositories like FTP server or SFTP server or database, disk, that time you need to use technology connectors. So now custom connectors. Custom connectors are nothing but our own connectors, which means we can develop our connectors with the help of SDK and Java VMs. So these are the custom connectors. And we have another type of connector, right? Trading partner connector. So what is the trading partner connector? Trading partner connectors are used to connect any specific organization. As I told, if you want to connect to any organization to get data or send data, at that time you need to use trading partner connector. So now we'll discuss clearly what is connector shape and what type of components included in connector shapes and how to configure connector shapes on Boomi. So connector shape is one of the component here. So connectors are the combination of 2 components that you can store separately in the component explorer. Those components are connection and operation. What is mean by connection and what is mean by operation? So connection is one of the component and connection is one of the physical connection information. Whenever you want to connect with any third party application or any local repositories, that time you need to build one connection, the physical connectivity between the Boomi platform and that third party application or browser based application or local repositories. Okay, so at the time only, right, Boomi will connect to that application and then it will get data or send data. To connect to that third party application, we need some URL, username, password, host, port number, blah 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 blah. By using all those details, you need to build one connection component in Boomi. With the help of that connection only, you can able to connect to the third party applications. And what is this operation? Operation is nothing but the function to call or files to act upon, how to process the data. So by using connection, you have connected to third party application, and by using operation, what you are going to perform, what action you are going to perform, whether you are sending data or you are getting data. If you are getting data from any third party application, what type of data you are getting, whether it is a accounts data or employee data, and what type of fields you are getting and how data you are getting. So all these details you need to specify in operation. So Connectorshape is a combination of these two components. So you can create these two components separately to the process, and you can use anywhere, wherever in the account, because both connections and operations are reusable components. You can create a single connection and pair it with your different operations as well. Okay, so now we'll see how to configure this Connectorshape on Boomi. Okay, so this is our Boomi platform. Recently Boomi AI got changed, so that's why you are seeing different structure. All the process explorer components you can see on the left side, and then save and close, and then save buttons are up, and then create package component, test, process, all these options you can see here. So here you can find all the components, execute shapes, logical shapes, connector shapes, all those shapes you can find here. So now we are discussing about connector shape, right? So type connector. I'm just dragging and dropping the connector shape into the process. So here you can find definition of the connector shape. Use connector shapes to get data into and out of a process. Most processes have one get connector and one or more send connectors. The connector shape uses a combination of predefined connection and operation components to establish where and how to get or send data. So this is the definition of the connector shape. So now you are clear about connector shape, right? So now we'll see how to configure this connector shape. If you see here, we have two options, general and then parameters. So under general, you can see display name. So this is not a mandatory option. If you want to give any name, you can give, otherwise you can leave as it is. After that, we have connector option. Here you need to choose connector. Suppose as per your requirement, you are getting or sending data from a disk, you need to select disk. If you are connecting with Salesforce, you need to select Salesforce. If you are getting or sending data from Shopify application, you need to choose Shopify. If it is a FTP, you need to choose FTP. So based on your requirements, you need to choose connector options here. Okay, so any application, so any connector, whether it is a disk connection or FTP connection or NetSuite or Salesforce or anything, you can see connection, action and operation points. Okay, so connection. So what is connection? So as I said, connection is nothing but the physical connectivity between the Boomi platform and the third party application, whatever or wherever you are going to connect. The third party application configuration details you need to create under connection. Okay, so after that we have action called get. Suppose if you are getting data from any third party application, that time action should be get. Suppose if you are sending data to any third party application, that time action should be send. After that we have operation. So operation is nothing but the activity whatever you are going to perform with the third party application. So that criteria you need to set on operation. So this is how you need to configure connector shape on Boomi. I just explained what is connector shape, type of connector shape, and what type of actions we have under connector shape only. So in coming videos, we'll take any one of the connector shape and we discuss how to build connectivity between the Boomi platform and then third party application, and then how to build operation part. All those stuff we can discuss in coming videos. Hope you understand today's video. If you have any doubts, please let me know on comment section. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will get all notifications whenever I post the video. Thank you all. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.